Are you tired of sharing dull and boring links? Do you want to cut short those long and ugly URL to shorter links? Try DopeLink, a powerful, simple, all-in-one link and bio page building tool with lots of features. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Get ready to see what we've prepared for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch this and other great software offers for your business. DopeLink is a new, powerful platform that makes it easier and more successful than ever for creators to connect with their audience. You can link your Instagram profile to your site through a single link in seconds thanks to an easy-to-use interface, drag-and-drop capability, and built-in SEO features. DopeLink is a link shortener that can be used for social media promotions, bio pages, and more. Cut large, ugly URL into tiny links and watch user clicks to see how effective your campaign is. DopeLink helps creators increase engagement and revenue by instantly creating a link page that is perfectly optimized for search engines, social media, and any other platform they want. DopeLink provides several features such as removable branding, links that are ready to go live, adjusting the back half URL instead of obtaining an auto-generated one, and using advanced analytics, collect and analyze data from your visitors to boost your company's productivity and profitability. DopeLink also allows you to attach your Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal Music, among other services, to your page. Using MailChimp or our webbook function, collect emails from your visitors. Use pixels from Facebook, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and Quora as part of your pixel integration. For your shortened URL, only show links to particular countries, browser languages, or device types. Get lifetime access to DopeLink for only $49. You can save as much as $450, so don't miss out on this great deal. If you like what you hear about DopeLink, check out more details by clicking the link in the description below. Please check out current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that suits you. Subscribe and hit that like button to get updates on the latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.